Think carrots are tricky? Let's make them easy and abundant. First, pick a sunny spot. Carrots love light. Loosen your soil down at least 12 inches and clear out pebbles. Carrots need soft dirt to grow long and straight. Next, sprinkle seeds thinly, about 1/4 inch deep. Don't overcrowd, they need space. Water gently to keep the soil moist but not soggy. When seedlings are a couple inches tall, thin them out to about 2 inches apart. It feels harsh, but trust me, more space means bigger carrots. Mulch helps lock in moisture and keeps weeds away. Feed with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks and keep watering during dry spells. One simple trick: harvest a few baby carrots early to let the rest grow even bigger. In about 2 months, your carrots will be ready for pulling. Just loosen the soil and give a gentle tug. Fresh, homegrown carrots, crisp, sweet, and totally worth it.